This is a 1999 Honda Accord with a 3.0 liter V6 engine. The problem we're addressing today is these hood lift supports. There's one on either side of the hood. They are having a tendency to just suddenly allow it to drop, and this can lead to the decapitation of whomever is working under the hood on the engine. So we're going to replace these lift supports. Fortunately, there is a very economical and effective alternative available. I'm going to include this part number in the video description. Let's see how they fit. First, we want to have like a piece of 2x4 to just support the hood while we're doing this. Next, if you look at how one of these is constructed, you see that it has a little band or a clip right here. You can insert a little screwdriver behind it, and then you can just pry it off, and this unlocks the support from its mounting point. And you do this on both ends, top and bottom. When you remove the clips, the support comes right off of its ball point here and here, and we can just snap the new one into place. Let's do that. With this new support, there's no need to do anything with these locking bands. All you do is just snap it into place and it will lock right in. So now we do the same thing on the other side.